Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial of site-specific permissions. So today we'll be showing how to grant site-specific permissions for a user. Here inside access control, when you are adding a new user, you add the name of the user and then you also add his email address. In this case, I will choose the type any for his account. And then when going next, here I will also set up what type of site access this user will have. So I can restrict sites and then I can only choose some selected sites for that user. So those two, for example, Utrecht and The Hague. Or I can grant full organization access, which means all the sites of that current organization plus the future creation of sites. In this case, I will go for only those two restricted sites. And then here I can select what are the roles and the permissions that I want for each type of site. So basically for site A, Utrecht, I would choose INM only, so installation and maintenance only. And for site B, The Hague, I will choose operator writer. So by doing that, you are only granting access with those type of permissions that are set inside the role. And then in the next phase, you can add a personal note, which is optional, and then send the invitation. Right, so after granting the user site-specific permissions, we can also double check what are the permissions inside the role we have set, right? So from here, this page of the users, we go for roles under access control. And then as you remember, we gave this role INM only, which means only installation and maintenance access, which the user will have access to manage devices and also site access. The other services, as you can also see, he cannot have access to. So that's what he will have access. Roles are basically a set of permissions that the user will have.